How to transfer WhatsApp history to a new phone. To get started, first of all, you need to open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be taken to this page where you can view your chat list. Then, go to Settings at the bottom right corner. Find the option Chats from the menu and tap on it. Once you're in this page, scroll all the way down. Then, tap on this option Transfer Chats to iPhone. Here, it says you can transfer your chat history privately without using the iCloud. Now, hit the Start button. Follow the instructions on this page. You need to scan a QR code on the new device. Place the camera over the QR code and scan it. Once the scan is successful, all your data and up-to-date messages will be transferred to your new iPhone. Make sure you use the same phone number while transferring the data. So, by following these steps, you can easily transfer WhatsApp history to a new phone.